Personal development. Personal development is crucial for self-awareness, goal setting, and skill enhancement. It fosters adaptability, resilience, and improves relationships by equipping individuals with better communication and emotional intelligence. I'd like to introduce you to Empower, Achieve, Succeed through Self-Mastery that we like to call EAS. EAS introduces you to a methodology that is a mindset approach that boosts confidence and self-esteem through goal achievement, positively impacting decision-making and overall well-being. Additionally, EAS personal development extends to the physical and mental health, promoting healthy habits and stress management. It is instrumental in career advancement, making individuals more attractive to employers. Ultimately, the pursuit of personal growth leads to a more fulfilling and authentic life, aligning with one's values and contributing positively to the world. Let us equip you with the tools needed to transform your life.